Hi friends, let's solve this tricky math problem. 7 times 4 goes first. 7 times 4 equals 28. Next, I drop the 2 minus divided by 8 minus 5. Next, 28 divided by 8 goes first. I can break that down further. 28 over 8, half of 8 is 4. That was easy. But what about the 28? Well, just write into two parts. So 20 plus 8. So half of 20 is 10. Half of 8 is 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Now, what is half of 14? 7. Half of 4, 2. And 7 over 2 cannot be broken down further. So next, I'll erase this for space. And I want to drop the numbers 2 and 5, but in fraction form. So 2 over 1 equals 2, does not change to 2, minus, don't forget, write in 7 over 2, minus, change the 5 to a fraction, so 5 over 1 equals 5, does not change to 5. Next, I'll erase the top part for space. Notice that I'm subtracting fractions, and you solve the math problem from left to right when you have the same operators. We have subtraction. So 2 over 1 minus 7 over 2 goes first. Notice the denominators are different. So I use the butterfly method. So I draw the wings, and you multiply what's inside the wings and write the results above the antennas, and the body gives you the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. Next, I subtract 4 minus 7. Turn the numbers around. So 7, take away 4 is 3, and it's negative. So negative 3. Next, I erase this part, and I want to write the 5 over 1 larger. Let me just rewrite everything. So negative 3 over 2 minus 5 over 1. That way you can see on the board. Next, notice that I am subtracting two fractions, but the denominators are different. So I'll use the butterfly method again. Here are the wings and the antennas, and the body gives us the denominator. I need a different color. Blue is low on ink. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 3 times 1 goes above the antenna to the left, so it's negative 3. 2 times 10 is 2 times 5 is 10. That goes on the right side of the antenna. And next, I subtract negative 3 minus 10. So I'll just rewrite it like this. Negative 3 plus negative 10. Add them both and keep the same sign. So it's negative 13 over 2. And this cannot be broken down further. And now let's figure out the mixed number answer, because this is an improper fraction answer, and a decimal answer using long division. It's simple elementary math that will help us figure out those two. So negative 13 over 2 is the first answer. And here's the long division symbol. The 13 goes inside and the 2 goes outside. So how many times can 2 fit into, it's a negative 13. How many times can 2 fit into 13? Well, I know 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. That's the closest we'll get. So I'll write 6 times 2 is 12. That's the closest we'll get to 13. Because 7 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. That goes over 13. 13 minus 12 is 1. So your mixed number answer is, the whole number is 6. The remainder 1 goes above the fraction bar, and the 2 goes below the fraction bar, and it's a negative. Don't forget, it's a negative 6. 1 over 2, and the decimal answer is negative 6.5. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you got the right answer, hit that like button, please. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.